Good evening, all. I'm Rajeshwari from Apache Module. We have done a project on a food delivery app, Dungo, which is a clone of Dunzo website. My teammates are Madhurendra Kumar and Harsha Khan. Now, Harsha Khan will go through the project overview. Over to you, Harsha Khan.
Yeah, thank you, Rajeshri, for the introduction. So, do the next slide. Go to the next slide. Yeah. So, the problem statement was to create a pixel perfect clone of Dunzo app with add features of online payment using Razorpay API, finding location using Mapbox API, and user login using Twilio. As you can see, the landing page also. And this is the screenshot where we are trying to show the EZOT feature with the help of OTP. Next, these are the technology that we have used in our project. React Redux is for the front end, MongoDB Node.js is for the back end, and Material UI Bootstrap is for the designing the website. Next. So these are the list of challenges that we have faced during our project. The first one is the time management. As we are working in a team for a very first time, it was very difficult for us to manage the time. And planning the things means we need to work on different things, different features. So it was a bit tricky. Login and register using Twilio, it seems easy, but it took some time. Setting up filter and customizing the styles to get pixel perfect design, it also bit tricky. Adding the new features on a timely basis, as we used to maintain the milestone in our GitHub, so it was bit challenging for us. Avoiding new features from affecting the working ones, as we are working on a branch, so while merging we used to face a lot of issue in our code, so it was bit challenging. Staying connected with the teammates, implementing EZOT feature, it took some time. Mapbox integration and integrating payment into the application, it took lots of time. So this is the demo of our project. So first is the landing page where the card will be available. After clicking the card, the restaurant list will be there. There we need to select one of the restaurant. After clicking the restaurant, it will show the item which is related to that restaurant. After clicking that, we need to add the item which we want and to our cart. After successfully adding to our cart, we need to do the payment, and after successfully payment, you are good to do the in the order will be successfully done. And the next. Yeah, that's all from my side. Now my teammates Madhurendra will going to show the readme file. Over to you, Madhurendra.
Yeah, this is the yes. Yeah, this is our README file. This is the description of our project, means a Dango food delivery app, and after that about website and workflow of the project, means like we have used essential feature like landing page, map location, OTP sign in, add to cart, clear cart, user address, user order details, and payment with Razorpay. Technical stuff included is HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Material UI, React, Redux, MongoDB, Node.js, Express, Mapbox, Razorpay. And this is our landing page, and this is the map page and OTP sign-in page and restaurant list page and add to cart page and clear cart page and address feature and order details and payment with Razorpay and finally with final order details. And then I over to you Rajeshwari. He will show, she will show the project demo.
So thank you for the overview, Harsha and Madhurendra. So this is the landing page. So user can log in. So we have used Twilio for logging in. I'll just give my number.
First, show the whole UI, whole UI.
Yeah. So once it's logged in, this is our entire landing page, the footer. Yeah. So here I can also show in the local machine because of the issue in the set location. So here we can choose the current location. I will first go through the food outlets. So initially the cart is 0. So we are in Marathalli. So the current location is Marathalli. I will give one more location in Bangalore, that is BTM. So BTM is chosen. So we have used 2 places in Bangalore, BTM and Marathalli. Now we have taken 6 restaurants from there. Now Madhurendra will explain how the checkout page is working.
Yeah,
Over to
here is our order from restaurant, and the distance we have calculator here according to latitude and longitude, and the time is automatically come according to this. And here is one restaurant details, like we have selected one restaurant momos, and if we should add to cart, like first product we have to add here, and for the second one we have also add. So the rupees also come according to this, and we will also filter according to veg and non-veg also. And if the user wants, like go for the second restaurant and uh, add new features, then so if I go for the second restaurant, then if I add something, then it is showing like your cart contains item from momos. Do you want to clear the cart and add items from biryani zone? So if we click on clear cart, then it is automatically add one new feature, like one new biryani something or food item. And here it is showing the means how much card means how much food are present here in the card. And after that, over to you, Rajeshwari.
Okay. So from here, if we proceed to checkout, comes to the checkout page, the user already have some address, delivery address. We can change the address. So if I give any of the address, that will be the current delivery address. This can be changed. And also user can add the new delivery address. So here, if I give the some random number and address, so I'll click office, continue. So the address is added. So this can be selected for the current delivery address. So once everything is done, then user can go for the payment using Razorpay. We have used Razorpay integration. So the amount will be calculated here. So after the payment, user will be taken to the order placed page. So we have the order ID and the cart from where, which restaurant and which date and what is the item. Even the profile can be shown. User privacy. This is a current order list from biryani zone to home. That's a current address, whatever I have typed. So this is our page. So again, user can also log out. So the cart will be now, I'll click the log out. You can see the cart is 0 again. So this is the flow of the project. And we have also hosted in AWS. The thing is only the set location we have to see, but remaining all is working fine. So that's all from our side. Thank you.